Hello, teacher.
Oh, where are you? I didn't see you.
Hello.
Okay, so good afternoon, Kate.
Afternoon, teacher.
Okay, wait me ha. I was okay. So let us have here. Let us talk about the journey to space. Okay, so wait me for a minute. We have here Unit 12A. It's about a journey into space. Okay, so we have here astronaut. You can see.
No.
Oh, sorry. What is this? Okay, can you see this one? Next, we have rocket. Okay, can you see the rocket?
Okay.
And okay, of course, we can see planet. He jumped to move quickly off the ground or away from a surface by pushing yourself with your legs and feet to repair or correct something, to fix something that is broken, damaged, or torn. That is repairs. It means you are gonna repair something. Large. It's a big in size or quantity. Deep, having a large distance from the top or surface to the bottom. Golf, a game played over a large area of group using sticks with a special shape to hit a small hard ball into series of 9 or 18 holes. Okay, ground, the solid surface of the earth. Ground is the solid surface of the earth. Okay, so what we are into, like we step into that particular things, we call it as we call it as ground. Okay, so here, Kate, look at the picture. Complete, Kate, the sentence with the words from the box. Please complete the sentence with the word from the box. Okay, please check and write your answer here. You can choose from the orange boxes. I mean orange boxes, right? That one. Okay, please do it.
Okay.
Anyway, it's very, very hot here.
Teacher, help me, please.
Okay. So two of the astronauts are playing blank near the strange tree. What they are playing? They are playing blank near the strange
Playing ground,
tree. Okay, playing
ground,
what? Playing.
ground,
Oh,
ground,
they're playing what? What play? What
ground,
games? They're playing.
ground. Golf, golf.
Yes, they are playing golf. Okay, three. The rocket has got small blank windows. The rocket has got small blank windows.
The rocket has got small, small robot.
Mhm. Small round
Um,
windows. Okay, small round windows.
the robot is seeing the computer screen.
The blank
No,
is fixing the computer screen in the rocket. Who
the
fix?
robot, robot.
Robot. Very good. Okay, five. One of the
One of
planet
the
is blank than the other two. One of the planet is blank than the other two. It is
one,
one of the planet is blank than the other two. What is it? It is
is
it is larger. Okay. It is larger. Okay, next one. So the trees have got leaves that look like lungs. The trees has got the leaf that looks like, what is this? Look like
look
hands.
like duck.
Okay, open hands. Like the hand is open. Look at the leaves. Look at this one. Look at this. Okay, this one. Can you see? It's like a hands like that. It's open hands. Black, the trees, the black under the rocket looks a bit like sand. The black under the rocket looks a bit like sand.
The 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 larger no the dark
The black under the rocket looks like a bit sand. It is ground. The ground, look at this. The ground under the rocket looks like blank. This one, the ground. Okay? Okay, next one. Okay, listen. Oh, this one, huh? Please listen and write the names of the robot. Okay, listen, huh? Please listen and write the names of the robot.
okay.
Please listen and write the names of the robots. Listen and write the names of, excuse me, please.
Okay. Teacher,
Yeah, I'm here.
I
Okay, with me,
can't
huh? With
listen.
me. Yeah, with me. Wait, open. Cannot play the video. Oh, what? Why happened? Oh my God. Okay, so we have, okay, let us have this. Okay, just look at the pictures A and B and describe what differences can you see. Look at the pictures A
Okay.
and B and please describe the differences that you can see.
Okay. The the robot in picture one and in picture A, the robot is sit down.
Mm-hmm.
In picture A, the robot is watching TV. In picture B, the robot is cooking. No,
Mm-hmm.
nights. Um, picture one, us, the Ellen, Ellen. No, the picture the us.
The picture two, look at picture two.
In picture one, in picture A, I can see a rock. In picture
Mm-hmm.
two, I I can't see a rock.
Rocket.
Yes, rock, rock.
Okay, there's a rock. Yeah, letter picture one. Picture two, it doesn't have a rock.
Right. Picture one, I
Mm.
can't. It's not a leaf in the
Mm-hmm.
tree. Picture B, I can see a leaf in the tree. Oh, wait me a second, huh?
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what is it? Okay, can you tell me now? Okay, first, there's a rock in the first picture. The second picture doesn't have a rock. What's next? What else?
In picture one, we can see the leaf.
Mm-hmm. The picture one is there is a big,
The big
big planet. Okay, the
planet.
second picture doesn't have a big planet. What else? What else can you see?
I can see I can see the what? Ah, the monster.
Mm-hmm. You can see a
The monster.
monster. Oh, where's the monster here?
This
Where? Ah, it's here in in the screen. And the second picture,
no. This monster.
it doesn't have a.
This is a monster.
Okay, it doesn't have a monster. Okay.
The monster is playing monster in picture A and in picture B. The monster playing volleyball. Volleyball.
Okay, the monster. Okay, they're playing. Ah, it's not. It's alien. They're playing. Or the robot. They're playing what? I know it's alien. They're playing badminton. Okay.
Badminton.
Yes. Okay. They're playing badminton here. Okay, let us move here. Now, you have to read through the text, quickly find the answer. Okay. Find the answer. Okay, so here, what is the name of the planet where we live? You will write here, huh? Please write here the correct answer, Kate. Write here the correct answer.
Mhm. Teacher, help me.
Okay, here, number one, please. What is the name of the planet where you live?
This e ear ear
Okay, it is.
earth.
It is Earth. Very good. How many planets move round and round our sun? How many? How many
Is
planets we move round and round the sun?
one.
Okay, one planet only? How many planets? Okay, there are eight planets. There are eight planets. Okay, what does our planet looks like from the space? What does our planet looks like from the space? Okay, what does our planet looks like from the space? Looks like what? Blue and white ball. It looks like blue and white ball. So our planet Earth is circles. There's a white and there's a blue. Okay.
Hmm?
Okay. How many words are missing from the text? How many words are missing? Okay, let us answer this one. Okay, so this one, you will have to choose. Kate, you will have to choose what will be the correct words. Choose only, huh? You have choices here. You have to choose what is the correct word, okay?
Okay. Yeah, you can help me, please.
Okay, so here, okay. Number one, the planets we live on is called Earth. Okay, Earth, huh? Earth is one of the eight planets that move around the sun. One of the eight. So we have eight planets, Kate. Eight. Until the 20th century, we didn't have any really good map of our planet. But now, special camera in space can took pictures of the earth, so making maps easy. Okay, so now because we are high tech already, we can have a lot of pictures about earth. Most of our planet has water on it in pictures. Earth often looks like a big blue and white ball, but pictures of earth don't help us to make maps. When we look at, eh, we can also learn, correct? Your answer is correct. We can look at them. We can also learn a lot about Earth's movement and weather. What is the answer of number eight?
Number
We can
eight.
also,
Uh, lot. No. Two.
we can also, we learn a lot about Earth's environment. Traveling in space and exploring other planets teaches Blanc more about Earth. What is it? Teaches Blanc, teaches what?
Uh, Teacher. Our.
Teaches. Okay, number nine.
Our.
Ours, us, or our?
Uh,
Teaches.
us.
Teaches us more about Earth too. Blanc, he liked to design spaceship or to be an astronaut one day. Okay. Can, may, or would?
Uh,
Can, may, or would?
can you? Can you like?
Okay. Would you like to design spaceship? Okay. Would you like to design spaceship? Okay. Next one. Look at these pictures. Okay. So the sun. Okay. Look at this one. Can you please name the planet?
Um,
Can you please name the planet?
I'm not.
Okay, this one. What planet is this? This is the sun. Okay, sun, sun. Okay, this is now, first, look at this. What are this? What are this? What do you think are this? What do you call them?
Mar. Mar.
They are, what do
Mm,
you call them? This one. Earth, Sun, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter. What do you call them? They are our, they are our planet. We call them Kate as our planet. How many planets can you see? How many planets can you see? How many planets can you see? Oh, how many planets can you see in here?